Good evening, everyone. This your boy Vlad coming with a quick recap video of today's trade. So today I actually only just traded in the morning, didn't trade during the power hour. I took my son to get a haircut, and by the time I came back, I didn't really see any good plays. So let me make sure the volume is up. Alright, looks like everything's all set. So the first trade was from yesterday. I had held this play overnight. So if you check out my last recap video or the day before my live trade, you could actually see me trading it and my thought process behind it. So I'm gonna go over it really quick. So yesterday, this is an earnings winner. So the reason behind it, so you guys can see here. Ticker is I'm bad at remembering ticker's name. LFVN. And I actually may play it again because it's close to its breakout level. But I gotta wait and see how it reacts to the 12s. Alright, while I wait on Yahoo Finance, there we go. What the heck did it just do? Well, pretty much it announced good earnings. So this was an earnings play. So I saw that it was gonna break past this breakout level here. Around the 10s, close to 11s, out of nowhere. Zoom in so you can see the exact play. Out of this big large volume came in and it blew past the 11s because at first it was struggling. As you could see, it went up, struggled to get to 11, dipped down, then out of nowhere, big strong volume and a big strong candle boosted this stock up. So it went all the way up to like the 11-15s. Once I saw that, I knew it was going to be a good opportunity to buy, so I was going to wait till it got down to the dip. Fortunately, I missed, I actually started buying it around the 11:03. Then it dipped. I figured it was going to do like a little over under, and my risk level was over at the 1083. So I was practically risking about 20 cents a share to have a potential upside of close to either the 12s, because I thought it was gonna go up by at least $1.19, $1.18, $1.17 a share. So my upside was so big that I didn't mind this little dip and allowing it to be able to test. If I would have lost money, I would have just lost money, because more time out of 10, if I do this trade, I'm gonna get a really big chunk of the reward. So I bought it right around here. Then waiting for the market close. I bought it close to the market end because I was expecting maybe a gap up or a morning spike. So didn't get the gap up, but I did get the morning spike. So I sold right around here. And if you watch my past videos, I had shares in both accounts. My small account with the 4,000 and the regular one, which is outside the pattern day trader rule. So with the one with pattern day trader rule, I got in roughly right here around like the 11.19s. Then it dipped down. I could have got a better entry, but I held both overnight. So I'm gonna show you the big account first. So made $675, just overnight. Then for the smaller account, it was $105.60, so close to about $700 with both accounts there. And this is just the small account. It's just trading, so you guys could actually see, even if there is the pattern day trader rule, I know it's hard to be able to trade, but you definitely got to be really selective on which plays that you play to be able to grow it. So far within 2 days, I think I grew that account by like $200-300 already, and that just buying overnight and selling in the morning. So that actually gets you outside of the pattern day trader rule, so that way you could do more trades. But you definitely got to be really selective, like the intraday plays. You're not going to be able to, I mean, you can do it, but I wouldn't see it as something viable for you to keep doing, especially if you're under the $25,000 mark there. The next play that I did was TIK, and it still has my bars here. This was up based upon like future contract. They don't even have a contract, but they're expecting to get a contract from the government, German government or something like that. And it's okay. So this stock yesterday was trading right around, it closed at $2.60, and today it gapped up all the way to the $4 mark. So it dipped, and once I started seeing it spiking, I bought some right around like 485-ish. I actually bought it on this dip right here. As soon as it spiked, I bought it on the first dip. Actually, I bought it too early, like 85, 485. Then it crashed. Then I saw it held support, and I sold it as soon as I saw that it was trying to retest this. So I actually sold right here on the panic here. Bad execution. I was actually gonna try to rebuy here, because I normally, after a stock breaks out past the key level, I always want to see it break past it, then come back down and retest it. But in this case, it actually fell back through. So once it did that, I knew it wasn't gonna hold its gain, so I didn't even repurchase. And I was actually thinking about shorting, but of course TD Ameritrade, they don't have any shares. It was hard to borrow, so I couldn't even short it. So with that, it was like a $200 profit-ish. A $200 profit. Actually, I think I scratched that. I did rebuy it. I rebought it on the dip over here. Bought it like at the, yeah, I bought it at like 520 again over here. I remember. Then like this little action here. It couldn't, and there was like massive sellers at the 525. I just sold it back at 520, so just broke even. I mean, minus commission. That's the only loss that I got, was just the commission. So I got out of it. And It started fading. That's all she wrote for the rest of the day. So overall today, total profits probably close to about 1,000, and most of my trades came between the first hour of the market, so it's not bad at all. So definitely that was my recap on those two trades. If you guys could leave me a like, comment below, I would truly appreciate it. So this is Vlad signing off. You guys enjoy the rest of your evening.